Which motorcycle helmet is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Yes Motor Half Shell Helmet. Let's kick things off with the Yes Motor Motorcycle Helmet Half Shell. Priced at just $48.99, this helmet caught my attention with its sleek matte black design and lightweight construction. If you want a budget-friendly option that keeps you feeling free while you ride, this is worth a serious look. The Yes Motor helmet weighs only 600 grams, so it won't weigh you down during long rides. It's DOT approved, which means it meets safety standards, and the open-face design gives you that wind-in-your-hair feeling. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're cruising around town or taking a short trip, you'll appreciate the ventilation and comfort it provides. Now, some people complained about the fit being a bit loose for larger head sizes. Here's the thing though, as long as you measure your head properly and choose the right size, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. Just keep in mind that if you're looking for a snug fit, you might want to try it on first. This is perfect for you if you want a lightweight helmet for casual riding. Skip this one if you prefer full face protection for higher speeds. For the price, it offers solid value. Now, if that loose fit concern bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Alboa Full Face Helmet. Next up is the Alboa Full Face Motorcycle Helmet, retailing at $59.99. This helmet stands out with its modern design and a tinted visor that adds a bit of style while protecting your eyes from glare. If you're looking for serious coverage without breaking the bank, you should check this one out. Weighing in at 1450 grams, this helmet offers a durable ABS shell along with a multi-density EPS liner that meets DOT safety standards. The multiple vents keep you cool, which is essential on hot days. Here's why this matters. The lightweight design means you can ride longer without feeling fatigued, and the ventilation system helps keep your head dry. Some users mentioned that the visor can fog up under certain conditions. Now I'll be real with you, while that can be frustrating, you can usually prevent it with anti-fog treatments or just by keeping your speed up to promote airflow. This is perfect for you if you ride in varied weather and want a reliable full-face option. Skip this one if you're looking for something super lightweight. For under $60, it's a great deal considering the protection it offers. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a bit more versatility. Product number 3, CARTMAN Dirt Bike Helmet. Now we have the CARTMAN Adult Dirt Bike Helmet priced at $55.09. This helmet caught my eye because it's not just stylish in matte black and blue, but it also comes with additional components like goggles and gloves. If you're into off-roading or dirt biking, this helmet is definitely worth a look. It's FMVSS 218 and DOT certified, so you know it's built for safety. The adjustable strap provides a secure fit, and it fits head circumferences from 21.3 to 24 inches. Here's why this matters. Having a well-fitted helmet is crucial for safety, especially when you're tackling rough terrain. Plus, the aerodynamic shape reduces wind drag, making your ride smoother. Some users have reported that the chin strap can be a bit uncomfortable during long rides. But here's the thing, once you adjust it to your comfort, it works perfectly fine. It's just something to be aware of. This is perfect for you if you ride dirt bikes or ATVs and want a helmet that comes with extras. Skip this one if you plan to use it solely for street riding. At this price point, it's a fantastic value for the complete package you get. Now, if you're looking for something with a bit more flair, let's move on to our next pick. Product number 4, Alboa Full Face Lightweight Helmet. Next is another Alboa offering, the Full Face Lightweight Motorcycle Helmet for $59.99. This helmet features a slick design and 2 visors, which is a great bonus. If you want versatility in your helmet while staying protected, this is a solid choice. This helmet meets DOT standards and boasts an extremely lightweight design, so you won't feel weighed down on long rides. The dual visor system not only improves visibility during day and night riding, but also enhances your safety. Here's why this matters. Having clear visibility is crucial when you're on the road, especially at night or in low-light conditions. Some reviewers pointed out that the fit can be a bit snug for those with larger heads. Now I totally get it, a tight fit can be uncomfortable. But if you're okay with a snug helmet that feels secure, this might be your go-to. This is perfect for you if you need a lightweight helmet for various riding conditions. Skip this one if you prefer a looser fit. At $59.99, it offers excellent safety features and comfort for the price. Finally, let's take a look at one more option that's really popular among riders. Product number 5, Triangle Full Face Helmet. Last but not least, we have the Triangle Full Face Motorcycle Helmet, priced at $89.99. This helmet features a dual visor system and a convertible design, allowing you to switch between full face and open face configurations. If you value adaptability in your gear, this helmet is a great fit. It meets DOT safety standards and has a comfortable, breathable design with removable liners. The versatility means you can choose the style that fits your ride best, whether you're cruising or hitting the off-road trails. Here's why this matters. The ability to adapt your helmet to different riding styles can enhance your comfort and protection. However, some users have mentioned that the chin guard can feel bulky. Here's the thing, that bulkiness can actually provide added protection, so it's a trade-off you might be willing to make. This is perfect for you if you want a helmet that can adapt to multiple riding situations. Skip this one if you strictly want a lightweight option. For under $90, it delivers excellent versatility and safety. Now that we've gone through these helmets, it's time to wrap things up. So there you have it. We've looked at 5 fantastic options under $100 that each have their own strengths. The Yes Motor is great for casual rides, while the Alboa full-face helmets offer solid protection. The CARTMAN is perfect for off-road enthusiasts, and the Triangle gives you flexibility. Remember, finding the right helmet is about balancing comfort, protection, and style for your riding needs.